picture? Yes? A paddle, very good. What else can you see? Yes? A canoe, very good. Here is a canoe and here is a paddle. Okay? Now look here, class. Here are two men. Here, no, listen. Here are two men. They have a canoe. They have a big canoe. One man is holding a paddle. He is paddling the canoe. He is paddling. Can you see the paddle? Now class, read after me. Here are two men. Here are two men. Here are two men. Here are two men. They have a big canoe. They have a big canoe. One man is holding a paddle. One man is holding a paddle. He is paddling the canoe. 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 He is paddling. He is paddling. Can you see the paddle? Can you see the paddle? Okay. Now read it yourself. Class, read. Here are two men. Here are two men. Okay. Here are two men. They have a canoe. 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 They have a big canoe. They have a big canoe. Okay, now I want one by one to read.
They have a canoe.
They have a canoe.
They
Again.
They have a canoe. They have a big canoe.
Very good. Clap hands for him. Somewhere.
Here are two men. They have a canoe. They canoe. They have a canoe. They have a big canoe. They have a big canoe. One man is holding a paddle. He is paddling the canoe. He is paddling. Can you see?
No. Can you
see?
Can you? Yes.
See the paddle.
Again.
Can you see?
Can you see the paddle?
Can you see the
Good. Clap hands for her. Now class in groups. In groups. In groups. Read after me. Here are two men. Marosa, point the line. Here are two men.
Here are two men.
They have a canoe.
They have a canoe.
They have a big canoe.
They have a big canoe. Here are two men. Here are two men. They
have a canoe.
They have a canoe. They have a big canoe.
Good. Sit down. That's good. Here are
two men.
they have a canoe.
They have a canoe.
They have a big canoe.
They have a
Wajo is absent. Hivi swali darasani kweli? Tafadhali sasa. Dia di mana? Mari dalam makhluk.